In this sprint, I'm working on, I'm calling it a loop machine. So basically, it's a way to take a sample and later a synthesizer and then shape that wave. So it's kind of a sound design tool initially, but and it works inside of a looper. So if we look at it, let me go start it. I get this over here and get it started, and it's this little icon here, and it says light shows, and it should say looper. Oh well, learn something by testing. And if you guys can think of a better icon, I'm all for it. Here we go. It brings this up, and it's just, you can think of this kind of as like a, what would be like a, what's known as a VST in the digital audio workstation world. It's a way to go ahead and create a sound. So first of all, you select which track you want to work with, and then you can go grab a loop. Now these loops here come from an old project of mine associated with Sonic Pi and some other things I did. So there's a bunch here, and I'll add a bunch more. So pick something, the bass drum, they're organized by alphabetic order. Bass, so if the bass is like a bass guitar, so if we have play a bass, it'll play the trance. Let me turn this down. I'm going to turn this down a little. I turned it down a little. But I can adjust the volume here. So I can adjust the volume of it playing. I can pan it left or right. Oh, I got a message I need to turn off. I can apply reverb. So it's got the same thing as the mixer did. I can turn on a delay or an echo. Pitch shift's crazy. I have something called a bit crush, and what it does is it'll degrade the sound, so I'll turn it up a little bit. You see how it makes it rougher. I can change the note length, so let's change it to playing for 4 beats. I have a low pass filter on it, so I can. And I can, start time will play the loop, not at the beginning, but a percentage from 0 to 100% into the loop. So it does. Here it doesn't have the attack there. And that's where I've gotten to. I'll be adding whatever I can in terms of, this is a way to, like I call it, torture a sound. And then I can, of course, it's got more than one track, so I can go ahead and I'll add a bass drum. And maybe, always need cowbell. Maybe a faster cowbell. So on. So basically it's looper, but it's more of a toy looper, not the looper like you've seen before with it. It's a looper where you can pick a sample and then shape the sound of the sample to some degree by applying modifiers or effects. That's it.